Debunking common myths about electric vehicles. Electric vehicle myths have become mainstream on the internet. There is a lot of misinformation on the topic, and it's important to address it. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are on the rise worldwide, and for good reason. These cars are not only environmentally friendly, but also a smart choice for saving on fuel costs. However, some myths about EVs still linger, keeping people on the fence about making the switch. Let's clear up some of the most common misconceptions about electric vehicles so you can make an informed decision. Myth 1: EVs have limited range. One of the biggest myths about electric vehicles is that they have a limited range. Today's EVs can travel far beyond the reach of early models. Many new electric vehicles offer ranges of over 250 miles on a single charge. With the expanding network of charging stations, you're never too far from a quick power boost. Myth 2: EVs are too expensive. While it's true that electric vehicles used to be pricey, the costs have been dropping rapidly. There are now affordable EV options for various budgets. Additionally, government incentives and lower running costs make owning an EV more economical than ever. Myth 3: charging an EV takes forever. Charging times for electric vehicles have improved significantly. Many EVs can be charged to 80% in about 30 minutes using fast chargers. Plus, you can conveniently charge your vehicle at home overnight, so it's ready to go by morning. Myth 4: EVs are not as fun to drive. Electric vehicles are actually a blast to drive. They offer instant torque, which means they can be surprisingly zippy and fun. Many electric vehicles feature impressive acceleration and smooth handling that can rival traditional cars. Myth 5: EVs are bad for the environment. Contrary to this myth, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, which helps reduce air pollution. As the electricity grid becomes greener with more renewable energy sources, the environmental impact of EVs continues to improve. Myth 6: EVs aren't safe. Modern electric vehicles come equipped with advanced safety features and undergo rigorous crash testing. In fact, many EVs score high in safety ratings due to their low center of gravity and robust construction, offering peace of mind on the road. There you have it. We hope this video helps clear up any misconceptions you might have had. Electric vehicles are the future, and it's time to embrace them with open arms.